again. Girl, you know that pussy is my weakness.
Hey guys, I just want to show you guys exactly how I put on eyelashes. So I just did a makeup tutorial on this look. You can go check that out. The lashes I will be wearing today is by Miss Lashes. This is the box, guys. It comes in a box like this. Yes, I already wore them. So it's called Miss Express Lashes. That's how it looks. Get it in your local beauty supply store, or you can look it up on Amazon, and I'm sure they have it. First, you want to apply some mascara. This is the Smashbox X-rated mascara. This mascara is so great. It's like, it has your lashes looking really long, and it's so dark. And you want to put on mascara first because you don't want your lashes to look white, and you want the glue to stick onto the mascara on your lashes. Lashes that I like to wear is the ones that are like really spaced out, and like it starts from small to long. So pretty much small on the edge, then it goes out to long, and that way it's so much easier because I know which eye it goes to, because you know over here has to have the small hairs, then over here should have long hairs, and I wanted my eyes to look very chinky, so I like lashes like that, very mink and just so cute and natural. So guys, the glue that I'm going in with today is the weave glue. This is the 30-second Salon Pro weave glue. You're going to apply a thin layer of glue onto your lash line, okay? A thin layer, not too much. You're just gonna go across it just like that. If you happen to put too much glue on your lash, the key is to just remove a little bit off with your fingernail. If you don't have any fingernails, you can use the tip of your fingers just to remove a little bit off. I wish I can show y'all exactly what I'm doing. I'm just using my finger and removing some off. I put too much on. So now you're gonna need a mirror for this. What I like to do is apply it directly on my lashes and at the middle. We're not done here. Once I apply it there, this is just the middle that it's touching. I like to move it a little bit. Like I pull it a little bit to exactly where I want it. And then I paste the outer corner. The key is to have it touch your lashes. You want the eyelash to touch your lashes where you put mascara on. I use my fingers and I just press it down. Now we're gonna do the outer corner because it's not pasted on yet. And we're just gonna push down. And that it's pasted on, you know? If it's not pasted on, you just push it until it's pasted on. So I'm pressing the very inner of where I paste on the lash and my real lash. Like I can feel it sticky because the mascara and the glue is sticking together. And that's how you apply your lash. Now we're gonna try the second lash, guys. I hope that you get this, and I hope this video is very informative. Step number one is you're going to take your lash and remove the glue. Be very gentle. And if you don't have glue on your lash, then it's perfect because they're fresh out the box and you want to put them on. So as you can see, this is like small to long. Everyone has their own preference of glue, but I just like to use weave glue because it's black and it lasts for a few days, to be honest. You're going to apply it on the very edge. Just like that. If you have a tweezer, grab a tweezer. But if not, and you have long nails, you should use your long nails as a tweezer. You're going to apply the lash directly in the middle. Now that you paste the middle part, it's time to paste the corner. And you're gonna rub your finger underneath the lash. Then you're going to do the inner corner of your eyes. Be very careful, don't get inside your eyes. And as you paste it down, you should be rubbing. And make sure that you're squeezing. Squeeze the glue and the mascara against your own lashes. And that's how you apply your lashes. I hope that was very informative for you guys to get your lash on and look pretty. Go and buy these lashes because these lashes are the bomb. I have been getting so much compliment on these lashes. Everyone wants to know how I do my makeup. Sometimes I don't even think I'm doing a great job. But you guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you can go put on your lashes. Now, if you do put on your lashes and you learn from me, don't forget to tag me so I can see that you learned from my video and that you got something from me. You know, I don't know. You don't have to tag me, but tag me if you want. But you guys, I hope that you can learn how to put on some lashes. These are just original lashes. It costs about $4. I think I spent $4 on these lashes, and they're so pretty.